Hello everybody. So in today's video we are going to make an app, or we could say build an app by using Google AI Studio. So it's so amazing. So let's get started. So we have to search on Google AI Studio, and click the first link over there. Then it will lead you to this page, and then this is the build page. I have already opened it, but actually it will look like this. Then we have to go on build, and then we have to type a prompt. So for today's video we are going to make an voice voice only science tutor, which can ask us questions, and we can also ask it questions with quizzes, and also it is going to listen automatically when the user says stop until that time. So let's get started. There is no single line of code involved in this. I wanted to tell you some things until the app is getting ready, which are that this is going to be saved in your Google Drive. So you have to make sure that space is there. Now let me save this app. You have to just click on save. So yeah, and also you also need an API key, which might be already present, or else you have to create one in the same Google AI only. So I have already created an API key, so it's not asking me about that. So now let's allow it microphone, and let's see. So if you can see the interface, it's pretty decent. And now you can also select the mode, like in mobile how it will look like this, and then in laptop it's the current device. So it's pretty adjustable. And now I'm going to show you in the full screen. Hello SciBuddy. Hello.
Hi, I'm SciBuddy, your science tutor. What would you like to explore today?
I would like to explore some things about space.
Great! Let's start with something cool about the planets. Do you know what makes Earth special compared to the others?
Yeah, because it has life.
That's right! Earth is the only planet we know of that has living things. This is because it has liquid water and oxygen in its atmosphere. Would you like to learn more about any specific planet or try a quiz?
So let's begin with a quiz.
Sounds good. What grade are you in?
I am in grade 8.
Okay, here's your first question. What is the name of our solar system's star? Is it the moon, the sun, or Mars?
Sun.
That's correct. The sun is our star, and it gives us light and heat. Ready for the next question?
Yeah.
Which is the third planet from the sun? Is it Earth, Mars, or Jupiter?
Earth.
That's not a planet. The third planet from the sun is Earth. Ready for the next question?
So this is how it works, and I think that it's pretty amazing how it created this beautiful app in just seconds. I just made it in front of you, and you can also see the code over here, which it, if there is any problem in the code, it auto fixes itself. I love this thing about this Google AI Studio. And also we can improve this, and there are suggestions over here that what you can do, means you can do. But for now I have made a simple interface, and also this is pretty easy to use, means there is no code needed, and we have to speak naturally in our language. So yeah, you can use this anytime you want, and it's almost like free. So It's really simple to use, and I hope you loved this video. So I hope that you will also make apps and also suggest some ideas in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching.